My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are going to be unboxing the smallest BOXYCHARM box I have seen in probably 2 years. This is the box right here, okay? This is every bit of maybe 2 inches thick. But nonetheless, for those of you who are not familiar with BOXYCHARM, I will leave all of the information down below so that you can become more familiar with it. And if you so choose, go ahead and hit the link right down below and become a part of the BOXYCHARM family, okay? So we are going to jump right into our October. Oh my God, the year is almost over. BOXYCHARM Base Box, okay? Now, when we open it up, of course, the first thing that we pull out is our description card. How about that? Okay, and our theme for this month is the candy shop. Okay, and across the bottom it gives you some information about the online pop-up shop, but it is for charmers only. So if you desire to try that, you will have to become a part of the BOXYCHARM family. Okay, so the first item that we have is by Ace Beauty, and this is the Draw It Lip Liner Duo. And the description card says, the Draw It Lip Liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base and can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $16. Let's check them out. Well, this one is in the shade Be Peachy. Okay, this is Be Peachy. And this one is So Gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, that's beautiful. And that one is a very nice red. They actually look nice together. Who knows, maybe we'll line it with the So Gorgeous and fill it in with the Peachy. Okay, now the packaging of course is beautiful, and I absolutely do love it. Clicks into place, so you don't have to worry about if you're pushing it down too far and it causes your liner to mess up. Now the sharpener is right down on the base, okay, right here, see? Alrighty, and that is item number 1. The next item we have is this little tube right here. I used to say these packages can't be full size because BOXYCHARM is supposed to be all full size products. However, when it is an eye product, most times it is in a much smaller tube than what we would normally see. So this is the Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask, and it says a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, polluin, as well as shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Jesus. Okay, this is 0.5 fluid ounces, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this right here. Get a nice, good look. This product right here is $93. This better be the best eye miracle in the tube. Oh my. Okay, it kind of smells like clay. Okay, I'm only putting that much on because at $93, I need every single drop out of here. So I'm gonna rub that in. Let's see. Okay, now you know when it's an eye product, you do not rub, you tap it in. Okay. Let's see how this works out by the end. But I must admit, it does feel really nice. All right. Okay. Moving right along, the next item that I have is, okay, this is something that I chose. Hopefully I got the color right, okay? This is by Dose of Colors, and this is the Meet Your Hue Concealer. And this says, this multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin perfections. This is a 0.25 ounce size, and it is $24. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Uh-oh, I think I might have gotten my concealer shade right. Yes! Okay. It's very, very strong though. Very strong. Woo! That's kind of strong to be around your eyes. Okay. Now we usually let it sit for a moment and then we blend it in. Okay, so I blended it in with a sponge, and let's see. It is blendable, lightweight, and long-wearing, full coverage. And it does say it has a shelf life of 12 months once you open the product. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I love the texture feeling of this box. That's nice. Okay, then the next item that I have. Now y'all know how I feel about brushes. Yes, this is the next item. Brand new smell. Woo-wee. Okay, it says create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. This versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them into your Luxe pouch for glam on the go. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $40. Here is this beautiful bag. And here are the brushes. Okay, y'all know how I feel about brushes. You know. So you can never have too many. So these will go into my collection back here. Alrighty, wonderful. So that is item number 4. And the last one I am really excited to see more products by women of color brands, okay? Now, this is the last item that I received, and this is by Beauty Bakery. This is the Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette, and it says Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $38. And here's the inside, and this is a 9-pan palette. Oh, these shades are beautiful. Okay, there's no mirror. Okay, and I'm okay with that. I am. And these are the shades that are included. All right, well, let's see. Okay, I guess I'll swatch the purple, the Lazy Baby, Boo and a View, and Fresh Face. Wow. I didn't even build it up. Look at that. That's really beautiful. Okay. Now we will be checking into these. We will, of course, be doing a try on and review real soon, and I hope you come back and watch that and participate in that one with me. Now, these are the products that were included in this month's BOXYCHARM Base Box. Okay. Now, down below, you will also see the manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the items included in this box. How about that? Now, I do want to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I hope that I have shown you and shared with you something that you hadn't seen or heard about before. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.